This is part two because I'm actually trying out the new stuff. Insert, trace part supplier, and Fifth Axis. Oh, that's a good vice company. What else we got here? ABB is a robotics company. What else do we have here? Oh, this is just A's. Wow. Oh, I can just search like Kurt. We have Kurt. Oh, no. I guess I'll have to look. Anyway, let me go back. Insert. Fifth axis. What we got here? Rock block bases, fixtures. Oh, wow. Top tooling setups, pull studs, and accessories. Let me do this. I like this vise here. Double station vise, dovetail, round. Let's go with the self-centering. I think I can blow this up. Got large, medium, small, with CAD models. Self-centering only, and they got them in, and with an angle plate. Oh, that would be like fourth axis tilted, but quick tilt. Let me go with the small one, 52 mil. No, that's like 2 inches. That's kind of small. Go with the 96. We want the flat bottom one. This is the quick change. Not that I couldn't still use it. I guess they always come with the adapters. Alright, I want this one. Oh, pull studs at the bottom. Oh, I get it. Alright, how do I get the model now? Please select Fusion. Make sure the software, yeah. How do I get it? I think I'm close. What's this thing say? 3D viewer and product image. Oh, also, by the way, if you're in Fusion and we have a lab install in the school, and most of our Fusion is updated, and we were able to get that to work, but some of my teacher computers, I still have to manually update. But I get the announcer. So these I get the announcement on, and I go right to this download Fusion lab install, put it on my USB, and update that way. I used to have to do all the student computers, which I don't have to do anymore. But those are all automatic, but I still have 3 teacher computers I have to do in here. So I get the notification and they send that. So back to this thing. I think you can grab it right from here. Oh, here's a download. Oh, you need an account. Alright, well, I'll get there. Alright. What other stuff did they have here? Let's see. Let me press the what's new button again. What's new? Plus, I could tell if I have the latest update or not, in case you think you're out of sync. Like if I just click on manufacturer only, improve toolpath simulation. Learn more. I was just talking about this the other day, and is there an easier way to turn that on and off? Okay, I guess there is. Because I know where to turn it on and off now, but like I was trying to look at the final product without the all the toolpath there, without having to go in the full simulation to do it. Okay, that's about it for me. See you later. Bye.